Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen, and plays a crucial role in breathing. The precise cause of hiccups is not always clear, but they often occur due to irritation or stimulation of the phrenic nerves or diaphragm. This irritation can result from a variety of factors, including consuming carbonated beverages, eating too quickly, swallowing air, sudden changes in temperature, or emotional excitement. Hiccups are usually harmless and self-limiting, lasting only a short time. While a variety of home remedies and techniques are often suggested to stop hiccups, their effectiveness can vary, and persistent hiccups may be a symptom of an underlying medical condition that warrants attention from a healthcare professional.